Oh, yeah, an SUV with plenty of performance with the new 2024 Dodge Durango blacktop rear-wheel drive. Oh, yeah. Now, Destroyer Gray, she is a Durango, but underneath the hood, that 345 cubic inch Hemi with an 8-speed auto, 24 miles per gallon highway, 20-inch black noise wheels wrapped in Bridgestones, Hemi badging. Oh, baby. Front driver and passenger buckets. These are heated. We have our center console shifter here, our wireless charging, connectivity with aux, also all of our climate controls, heated steering wheel, also navigation on the center stack, and also we do have traditional gauges with a digital driver information station, leather-wrapped steering wheel, paddle shift, and hands-free controls. Bench seat on the second row. Yes, plenty of leg room, some webbing here to keep our goodies in, and also rear air. Big fun for the family. Oh, yeah. Third row capable, you bet. Power lift gate is up. Dual exhaust for that Hemi. Oh, yeah. And also, we can fold down the third row for some more cargo and storage and still put down that second row. And we still have plenty of room for everything. Some 12-volt power right there. And we close the automatic lift gate on the new 2024 Dodge Durango Hemi-equipped RT Blacktop Edition, available at Ed Payne Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram in Weslaco, Texas. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.